Watching two watches. Which watch, Han?
Into what it we're watching to what? What?
Halloween is coming up. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. I'm so excited.
What girls you dress up as?
Scary witches.
English is not flat, so you have the stress and the intonation. Ở đây mình đang lên xuống giọng theo kiểu kinh dị một xíu ha.
And in the Dodge house.
It's a lovely sound, not a scary sound. It's more scary.
And in the Dodge house.
There was a dark cell. And in the dark box, there was a ghost.
Scary.
Excellent. You should turn on your camera. I cannot see you.
Yes,
Oh, great.
Now, I dress as a pirate.
Wow, such a cool pirate. Yeah, what's wrong with the pirate's eyes?
Blink.
It's blind.
Blind. Yes.
Are you gonna dress up for Halloween?
Oh no, I'm not. I will be embarrassed with it.
Have you ever dressed up in a special costume before?
Yes, long time ago, we always have a Halloween party in my company.
What did you dress up as?
Maybe I didn't remember.
A ghost fly behind the castle of the house.
A ghost flying in the...
Fly in the sky.
Good. Do you like to visit this village?
No, I'm very scary.
So do you like a scary story or scary movies?
Yes, I like that thrilling movie.
What scary movie did you watch before?
The Walking Dead and the Blue Moon.
What do you think this man is?
He's cướp biển hả?
The man dressed as pirate.
He's a pirate? Everyone, do you know the word pirate? Pirate of the Caribbean? Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
A black hat color.
Yes, that's right. Magician. Person who do magic.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Faster.
If two witches were watching two watches, which would what? Which watch?
Two witches were watching two watches. Which would watch which watch, Han?
Into what it we're watching to what? What?
Okay, you will need to practice more at home, okay?
I learned a lot of new words about Halloween. Today is great for me. Thank you, teacher.
So you have a useful Sunday morning, right? So I hope you have a nice weekend and an effective working week ahead. I will see you next time. Bye everyone. Chị Trà, see you next time. Bye.
See you next time.
Thank you.
A great day.
Thank you.